Hello student, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see the solutions of exercise 9.3 from question 9 to 16. In the I link above I have shared the video of exercise 9.3 from question 1 to 8 as well as the video of exercise 9.1 and 9.2 combined together. So in exercise 9.3 we have seen the theorem 9.2, that is two triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. So these are the two triangles. If they are on the same base BC and lie between the same parallel lines AP parallel to BC, then they will have the equal area. And theorem 9.3 is two triangles having the same base and equal area will lie between the same parallel lines. So this is converse of theorem 9.2. That is, if two triangles, they are on the same base and their area is equal, then they will lie between the same parallel lines. So these are the two theorems that we have seen in exercise 9.3. Let us start with question number 9 here now. The side AB of parallelogram ABCD here is produced to P and join CP now and draw a line parallel to CP here, that will be AQ, and complete this parallelogram PBQR, and this is now ABCD, parallelogram ABCD. You have to show that area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram PBQR. So it is given, this is the given thing and this is to be proved. Now join AC and PB here. So let us consider triangle ACQ and triangle APQ here. They lie on the same base AQ and are between the same parallel lines AQ and PC. Okay, and therefore their area will be equal. So that is your equation number 1. So this is equation number 1 here. Now subtracting this triangle ABQ from equation 1, from these two triangles, you will get that ABC, area of ABC will be equal to area of PBQ. So, right, area of ABC is equal to area of PBQ. But here ABC is what? ABC is half of this parallelogram ABCD and PBQ is half of this parallelogram PBQR. Since AC is the diagonal and it divides the parallelogram into two equal triangles, and this also similar one. Therefore, in place of ABC, you can write as half of parallelogram ABCD, and in place of PBQ, you can write area of half of area of PBQR. Cancel half on both the sides, and this is your required result. That is, area of ABCD is equal to area of PBQR. That was question 9th. Question 10th here is AC and BD are the diagonals that intersect at point O and ABCD is a trapezium here. You have to prove that AOD is equal to BOC. AOD is equal to BOC. Consider triangle ACD here and triangle BCD here. So two triangles are on the same base CD and lie between the same parallel lines CD and AB here. So therefore area of triangle ACD will be equal to area of triangle BCD. Now subtract this COD from equation 1 here. So subtract COD from equation 1. So it will be, on subtracting COD from both the sides, from this triangle and from this triangle also. So it will be, remaining is AOD will be equal to BOC. That is, area of AOD is equal to area of BOC. That was to be proved. That is the required result. Question 11 here is ABCD is a pentagon and a line through B parallel to AC meets DC at F. So this line is parallel to AC and it meets DC at F here. You have to show that ACB is equal to ACF here and area of quadrilateral AEDF is equal to pentagon ABCDE. So here ABCD is a pentagon given and AC is parallel to BF, it is given. So consider these two triangles first, ABC and AFC or ACF. These two are on the same base AC and lie between the same parallel lines BF and AC. Therefore, their areas are equal. Now subtract this triangle from between. The triangle here is, okay, not subtracting. Now add this triangle AEDC. Now add this quadrilateral AEDC in triangle ABC. So if you add the quadrilateral AEDC in triangle ABC, so you get a pentagon ABCDE. And if you add AEDC in triangle AFC, so you get a quadrilateral AEDF. So in place of these two, you will be writing here pentagon, and in place of ACF and AEDC, you will be writing here AEDF. So that was the required result. A villager Itwari has a plot of land of shape of a quadrilateral here. The Gram Panchayat of the village decided to take over some portion of his plot from one of the corner to construct a healthcare center. Itwari agrees to the above proposal with the condition that he should be given equal amount of land in lieu of his land adjoining his plot so as to form a triangular plot. Now how this proposal will be completed or implemented? So this is a quadrilateral land that Itwari has. Now you have to draw a point F and draw CF, which is parallel to BD here. So you will be getting two triangles. So join BC and DF here. So you consider triangle CBD and triangle FBD here. They lie on the same base BD and between the two parallel lines BD and CF here. So area of these two triangles is equal, that is equation 1 from theorem 9.2 according to 9.2. Now subtract this triangle BMD on both the sides of equation 1. So on subtracting you will get as CMD is equal to FMB. So CMD is equal to here FMB. So in place of CMD, the government is allowing him the land FMB. So now here his whole structure of land becomes as a triangle. Hence in place of CMD, if BFM, this one BFM will be given to Itwari, his plot becomes a triangular, that is ADF. Thirteenth question here is, ABCD is a trapezium. You know the property of trapezium, that opposite sides are parallel to each other. A line parallel to AC intersects AB at X. So this is the AC here, and line parallel to AC is XY, which intersects AB at X and BC at Y here. So you have to prove that ADX here, ADX is equal to ACY. So now let us consider here ADX and ACX first, that I have shown in black color. ADX and ACX, these are on the same base AX and between the same parallel lines. Therefore area of ADX will be equal to area of ACX. That is your equation 1. Then similarly consider next two triangles, that is ACX, and the second triangle is here ACY. Okay, ACX and ACY. They are on the same base AC here and lie between the same parallel lines AC and XY here. Therefore, area of ACY is equal to ACX. Now you can see from equation 1 and 2, ADX is also equal to ACX and ACY is also equal to ACX. So right hand side is equal, therefore left hand side is also equal, and therefore area of ADX is equal to area of ACY. Right, that was the required result. Question 14 here is, AP is parallel to BQ and BQ is parallel to CR here. You have to prove that AQC is equal to PBR. Right. So first consider the upward triangles, that is ABQ and PQB. So you can see in this figure here. sorry. So ABQ and PQB, consider these two triangles here. So area of triangle AQB will be equal to area of triangle PBQ, since they lie on the same base BQ and between the same parallel lines AP and BQ, and therefore that will be equation number 1. Right? Now similarly consider these two triangles, that is BQC and BQR here. They also lie on the same base BQ and between the same parallel lines BQ and CR. Therefore area of BQC and area of BQR are equal. That is your equation number 2. Now add equation 1 and 2. So you will get ABQ plus BQC will be AQC and PBQ plus BQR will be PBR. Okay. So ABQ plus BQC is AQC here and PBQ plus BQR is PBR. So that is the required result. Question 15 here is ABCD is any quadrilateral. AC and BD are the diagonals that intersect at point O. You have to prove that AOD is equal to BOC. This is a similar question that we did above. And since therefore you have to prove that AOD is equal to BOC, that is given, we have to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Since it is given only a quadrilateral and the diagonals intersect at O and the area are equal, that is been given to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. So the first equation is AOD is given equal to BOC. Now only this much triangle is equal to this much triangle. Now in both these triangles we will be adding the center triangle AOB on both the sides of the equation 1. So add AOB on both the sides of equation 1 here, you will get as ABD will be equal to ABC. So this one ABD will be equal to ABC here. Now since the area of these two triangles are equal and they have the same base, therefore they will be lying between the same parallel lines. That is from theorem 9.3 that you can see here. So it is from theorem 9.3 and therefore ABCD is a trapezium. Now in question 16, area of DRC is equal to area of DPC, it is been given, and area of BDP is equal to area of ARC, it is given. You have to show that ABCD and DCPR are the trapeziums. So this is given and this is to be proved. So first thing is DRC is equal to DPC, that is equation 1, that is given. So since both these triangles area is equal and they are on the same base CD, therefore they will lie between the same parallel lines. Therefore DC is parallel to PR or RP from theorem 9.3. Therefore since the opposite sides are parallel to each other, therefore DCPR is a trapezium. Now ACR, that full triangle ACR is given equal to BDP here. So subtract equation 1, this one, from 2 here. So you will get here as ADC will be equal to BCD, that is equation number 2. Now since these two triangles are equal in area here and they lie on the same base CD, therefore AB will be parallel to CD here, or DC will be parallel to AB, that is also from theorem 9.3. And since here also the opposite sides are parallel to each other, therefore ABCD is a trapezium. So this was your question number 16. So that's all for now. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, Get the Math.